We'll have some good news, but ultimately we don't see them hitting their guidance. I still think about 85K is where they hit. And I think it's some good news before bad news, because ultimately second half is going to be the key. And that's an Everest-like battle to hit those numbers for the year. And that's really the issue for investors right now. It's that profitability in second half numbers, especially even if you get some good news in 2Q.
Jed, how do you see it, especially since you are bullish on the stock?
Yeah, I don't disagree that much with Dan here. I think the one area is I think the profitability is not as big a focus here. Specifically for the quarter, we're at 90 and 74 in terms of total units, and so at consensus, that would put the back half delivering 63. That puts the back half at 200, which is a bit of a stretch. I think if we have visibility into that, the stock moves higher.
It's hard to find a stock, really, when you think about it, that has such differing views, not just on the ratings, but price targets. And this is right square in the center of that debate. Dan, you have a $230 price target. Jed, you have a $394 price target. I mean, we're talking such a huge divergence. What changes, Dan, your opinion of where this stock can go?
Yeah, I think it's a fork in the road situation over the next 6 months, because really it comes down to, can they sustain Model 3 growth? What does profitability look like? You know, we continue to think if no profitability, they'll have to raise another $1 to $2 billion more of capital. So that's why right now you see such divergence in terms of the view of Tesla. Look, in my opinion, for them to hit that year-end number is going to be a significant challenge. I think right now it's a prove me stock for the bulls.
Jed, I mean, prove you, I don't know, 394. It sounds like they've already proven it to you.
Yeah, listen, I think it's a binary stock here, and frankly, I don't see it staying at the current levels that it's at. It's either, you know, you're betting that this company is going bankrupt, or you think that the stock is worth a lot more. And we're taking the case that with 75% market share in the U.S. of electric vehicles, and with the market trending that way, that the value that's being created here to disrupt GM and others is greater than where it is currently.